Now, in a major setback to Essar Oil, the Supreme Court has directed the Ruya-controlled Essar Oil to pay up 9,100 crore rupees in sales tax to the Gujarat government. Devduta Das joins us with the details. Devduta, tell us what really is the reason that the Supreme Court is giving for this judgment, and what does this also mean for the company?
Well, it's a big blow to Essar Oil as the Supreme Court judgment comes in today, where they have to pay back the entire amount that they owe the state government of Gujarat as sales tax benefits that they had gained. Now, this is a case that dates back to 2008, which started with the opposition Congress government blaming the Narendra Modi government of giving undue benefits to Essar Oil for setting up a refinery in Vadinar by giving them a sales tax benefit under the new capital incentive policy scheme, which was operational between 1995 to 2000, where the company could get as much as benefits as much as 125% of their overall investments. There was a case that went into the High Court where Essar Oil won the case, but then the state government's Industries Department appealed against the High Court case in Supreme Court, and Supreme Court said that they will not buy the High Court's judgment because the Vadinar refinery was still not operational, and because of which the Essar Oil was not capable of getting benefits, sales tax benefits, and now they have to pay back the entire amount. This will obviously have effects as far as the company is concerned on the future agreements or MOUs that they sign going on. But having said that, Essar has also sent in a statement to the Bombay Stock Exchange where they said that they were in any case going to pay the entire amount back to the state government in deferred installments.